Today, we're taking a closer look at the A2Pro Smart Projector, a compact but powerful device that brings the cinema experience right into your home. Let's see what's inside the box. Right out of the box, the projector feels premium. The design is modern, clean, and portable, perfect for any room in your home or even on the go. One of the coolest features? The built-in adjustable stand. On the side, you'll find multiple ports, HDMI, USB, audio output, and more. Whether you're connecting a laptop, gaming console, or streaming stick, the A2 Pro has you covered. Now let's power it on. The A2 Pro features a built-in 8-inch touchscreen running Android 12, making it more than just a projector. The included remote control makes navigation super easy. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, streaming is lightning fast. Open up YouTube, search your favorite videos, and start watching instantly. No lag, no buffering. And just look at that image quality. Even in a dark room, the picture's sharp, vivid, and immersive. Thanks to 400 aniside lumens and native 1080p resolution with 4K support. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.